Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another edition of the Daily Market Outlook video. As usual, we'll cover the Dixie, the Euro, and the GBP pairs. First, we jump over on the economic calendar here. So as we can see here today, we have the CPI news month-on-month, year-on-year, and the core CPI month-on-month for the USD pairs, which is happening at the start of the New York session. So we just need to be aware of that. If you are going to take any trades today, that will cause a lot of volatility in the market. So I will not be trading that. I will wait for the possibly for the rest of the week. To play out and wait to see what bias we sort of get from those prints. So basically, yesterday we we're looking for a bit of bearish activity. Obviously, we came up. We just wicked above this zone. Took a bit of high structure, high liquidity, and we've obviously started flagging back down since. So basically looking on the 4-hour here, we can see here that we've had this big leg down, and this is all internal structure. So we can see here, if we put a fib on this leg from here down to here, that we've just tagged up above the 50% line, coming up towards that 618. So if we may possibly see a slight further rise before dumping, but again, my bias on the higher time frame of the Dixie is short or bearish. So again, just looking for those bearish entries at the moment. So the 15-minute is bearish, 4 hours obviously still bearish. We are in a retracement at the moment, so just looking for some short areas. So we could possibly see a short area from here, knowing that this was responsible for obviously taking that liquidity. So we may see a possible rise back up into this area, taking obviously liquidity from this high and liquidity from this high up into this area and going short. That would be my preferred trade for today, or possibly a pull down, back up, and then down again. But yeah, that would be my short bias trade for the Dixie today. Euro USD, obviously we got we were looking to go long. We had this pull down into this area. It did hold for a few hours, but then obviously at the start of the New York session, it dumped again. We saw it just ever so slightly wick below this previous low, and it's been flagging back since. Again, we're looking for a bullish narrative here on Euro. Again, this Euro chart hasn't been very good to trade the last few weeks, so it's been quite range bound in here. So what we're looking for is a break of this range in some way. So basically what we could see is we have a lot of liquidity sitting here. We've obviously, if we draw a line through there, we can see it a lot better. So through this area here, we do have a lot of liquidity built up now. We've had 1, 2, 3 touches here. So what we could be seeing is a pull down lower to take that liquidity before then going long, which could very well happen today. So we may see that pull down into that area before going long. So we just need to be aware of that. That could be a play. And so on the 15-minute, obviously looking at that sort of structure there, if we come over into this area, we can see obviously, these were those big wicks on the 4-hour chart. So, we're looking for possibly coming down to this area, or realistically anywhere in sort of this zone that hasn't been tapped. So we see it's been tapped here. We did have a big pullback here, but I think anywhere within that sort of area, we would be looking to go long from, as long as it takes that low side liquidity there. I think we'll be looking to go long from there, provided the news accommodates that. GU, so again, GU we're looking to go long yesterday. It did obviously give us quite a big pullback before going in that long bias. We did get break of the Asian high, but then it came down, broke the Asian low, came back down. Then at the start of the New York session, then begin to regain some momentum. So we did see this bullish narrative come in, but it was obviously quite a lot lower than expected. So again, just basically very bullish on the Dixie on the GU chart at the moment. So basically just looking for, we can see here we've had this pull down, pull back up and then pull back down. We've come back up, broke structure. So what we may see is a pull down into these sorts of areas before then going long, okay? So it's either that or we see a break above this high, retest internal and go long from there. So basically that's my bias for today. Again, with this news and stuff around, just please be careful not to get yourself caught up into some ugly trades in and around that news period. So anyway, thanks again for jumping on today, guys, and I'll see you again on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.